Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this makeup look using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. This palette has gorgeous shimmer shadows and warm tones inside. So if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first starting off by taking this shade here as my transition shade in the crease. Then taking this brown shadow here and using that in the crease just to create some more definition. Then going back over top with that first shadow that we used to blend it out. After that, I'm taking the darker brown shadow in the palette and further deepening up that crease and the outer corner. I'm just taking my time adding and blending each shade. So as you can see here, the eyeshadows in this Desert Dusk palette are very pigmented and also are so easy to blend and use. The colours are also very summery, so if you would like to see more looks using this palette, please let me know in the comments. I then carve out the eyelid area where I'm going to place a shimmer shadow on top of. I feel that this gives it a nice crisp finish doing this first. After that, I take the shadow named Retrograde and applied it to the eyelid. I absolutely love how this applied and it looks different shades in different lighting. Next, I took the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink eyeliner and used that to create a wing. So I first take that across the eyelid and then tracing it up towards the brow and then connecting it back in. I then take that dark brown shadow again and blend it into the very top of the liner that we applied, and this just creates that smoky effect. Then blending it back in with that transition shade just to make sure the blend is nice and smooth. After that, I clean up the edge of the liner with concealer, tracing the very bottom of it to make it nice and sharp looking. I then applied a coat of MAC mascara to my lashes. And then applied some strip lashes on top from the brand Unicorn Cosmetics in the style Not Basic. Next I take a black kohl eyeliner and apply it to my waterline and then trace it slightly underneath that lash line just to create the smoky lash line effect. Then blending it out underneath with the brown shadows that we first used, just building up the colour on that lash line. If you feel like you've blended too far down on the eyelid, I take a concealer brush and just run it along the bottom just to tidy that area up. I then add a coat of MAC mascara to the bottom lashes just to make them nice and thick. I then take the shade Nefertiti to highlight the brow bone and inner corners of the eye. And then to highlight my cheekbones, I use my favourite Like a Diamond highlight from Doll Beauty. This is such a beautiful shade and it looks nice and glossy on the skin. For lips, I use the Collection Cappuccino Lip Definer to line my lips. And then to finish the whole look off, I use the MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos that you would like to see from me in the next coming weeks. And also remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.